Hi, I'm Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to show you how to take a plain pair of work gloves and turn them into a real biker glove. Stay tuned. First thing, you got to decorate them so you know which way to twist the throttle and which one's your left hand. L makes the left. Then after that, you have to get a Harbor Freight tarp repair kit, which I already had, and we're gonna make holes in them so they can hang together. I was on a trip last week and my gloves got soaking wet and I didn't want to ride in them, so I didn't. I really love these Odin gloves. Watch this trick. See? You can set them there, and then the wind doesn't blow them off your seat or your handlebars. I only have one pair. They were expensive, but they have lasted. I think this is their 4th riding season, so I can't complain. And they look really good. This is no knock on those gloves, but here's what I got. So while on said trip, I wanted to ride in some gloves. I got some plain old leather gloves. Just work gloves. I like them for cool weather. Not cold, just cool. But they don't stick to the tank like my Odins. I don't have any magnets. I suppose I could rig up a magnet in the cuff. But I do have my tarp repair kit from, you guessed it, Harbor Freight. And I thought, if I had a grommet right about there on each of them, I could hook them to my Real Biker wallet chain that's twisted now. Kink. Or if a fella had a carabiner, he could snap them through and hang them on a key ring. Or there's a myriad of things that you could do to make these a little easier to tote around with you. So let's give her a shot right quick. Since this is meant for a tarp, I doubt it is going to cut through this leather, but I bet it'll make me a good mark. I'm a liar. It worked. Match those up how I want them to lay. Transfer that mark across. All right. Set my grommet on top of the anvil. Slide that through. Put that on. Looky there. That'll be nice and smooth against my skin. No problemo. Let's see if it works. Try the carabiner method. Little clip. Oh, look at that. Little handy dandy clip. Or if you want to be a real biker, Looky there. You'll never lose your gloves. That is how you turn a regular pair of work gloves into a real biker glove. I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.